Hey, good morning guys. Today I will be showing you two panels for Access Control System, and this is hikvision. This video is from Dixon Technology, and now we will show you what hikvision did for the Access Control System. Today's days, they are the #1 surveillance solution company in the world, and in this case they are going behind the access control solution and the security system in the complete market, I would say. Pretty much this is the panel for 2 doors, and this is the panel for 4 doors. This is the K2602 and the K2604. This seems to be really big panels for 2 doors. So let's see what they have inside for the access control system this time. Right, so I'm gonna wrap this. Let's start with the K2602. In this case, it's pretty similar to the 2604. I bet. This is a brand new solution from hikvision, because they are getting now in the access control world. Now this is the 2-door system. Looks like very robust system. At the top you can see this is the input for the readers, the Wigan readers. You will have solutions that when you need like in-out reader, you will use 4 readers. In this case you can do it, so because you will have the 4 slot for them. Something else they did is RS 485 input for other kind of reader that is no Wigan protocol. You will see the alarm. This is the alarm input for the system. So well, in this case this is the output. So here are the relays, and you will see here is the main block where you can get all the alarm output from the system, and the input will be on this place. In this case you will see different connectors. These connectors are for the well, in this case this is for the strike or marlock, for the magnetic devices. Here are the relay, doing the control of those devices. Here you will get like the buttons, like exit buttons or another kind of trigger for the electric devices, and then sensors. Something that hikvision did is like they get a LR bar where everything is attached to it, and you don't need to be touching the panel that much at the installation time. This is something good because you might damage the board if you don't work properly or take the proper care, and this is really good. Something else is it helps with the installation understanding, because now everything is there and is documented. So the only thing you need to do is get on place and get the wiring, doing the tagging, and then getting into the panel. After that, you doing the proper configuration, you should get a good system up and running. Very good. Well, this board has a really high processor capacity. It's really fast, communicate very good with the system. For the upload, it will support up to 100,000 of user, which this is really a huge capacity. Something else that these panels include on is the fire alarm relay. So it will trigger a fire alarm signal on this interface to the main relay. And then something good of the integration is the power supply is behind the board, and everything is pre-connected. The way you don't have to worry about the configuration for some feature like this one, the fire alarm. So once you get the input from the fire alarm devices here, once the fire alarm trigger, depending how you want to configure the system, will trigger this main relay, which has capacity to interrupt the main output for the power on the locks. Okay, so this is really nice. So you don't need to be doing wiring between power supply and boards. That's something that is really good. For troubleshooting is really nice too. Something else they did now and change is about the power devices, because they're normally open, normally closed, so energized and de-energized. has changed a little bit here, because now all devices as is pre-wired, you don't have control over the wire. So what they did was something smart. They gave like kind of a switch in the board. So now it will be changing switch in the board the way you can have the behavior you want, like if this is normally open, normally closed. So depending the device, the magnetic device you are connecting into the main bar. And also they include the leader protection for electricity coming back on circuit, protecting the board. So this is a well done panel from hikvision. It's still pretty new, but I would say that this is a good start as all their solutions. And again, they are getting all over the solution security system product. They are very good at the surveillance system, and now they are doing good stuff like this in the access control solution. So let's see. I will be doing like in the next video the panel for the 4-door. Should be very similar, but let's see what is inside. Okay, so have a good day and see you in the next video.